To Steps to Success. Today we're going to work on exercise 7. In this exercise, you're going to be challenged and you're going to have to review the beginning of the module rules that will let you know about the pronunciation when you turn a verb into a past tense verb, adding the ed. Now, if you recall, sometimes it sounds like a t at the end, an id at the end, or a d at the end. Therefore, it's important that you review the beginning of the module and see the 3 rules that will help you complete these exercises. So, fried, does it sound like fright, fried, fried, or fried? If you said d, you are correct. It would be just d sound. Now we have number 2, missed, missed. Does it sound like missed with a t sound? Missed or missed? If you said missed with a t sound, you are correct. It does have the t sound. Number 3 is invited, invited. So, invited, t, invited, or invited. So, you could see naturally it sounds invited. It sounds like an id. Invited. Dreamed, dreamed. So if we try the t sound, dreamed, it doesn't sound correct. Dreamed or dreamed. If you said d, you are correct. It sounds like d at the end. Number 5 is limited, limited. Does it sound like a t at the end? Id or d? Limited. So it sounds like id. Limited. Number 6, invented, invented. Again, does it sound like a t, an id, or d? Limited. If you said id, you are correct. It's limited. And number 7, floated, floated. Does it sound like a t, floated, floated, or floated? So, floated sounds like a id. Floated. So, now you're going to continue working on these exercises on your own. Don't forget, you could always refer back to the beginning of the module where you learned the 3 rules of changing a present tense verb into a past tense verb and the pronunciation of each word. Good luck and see you soon.